I got this my Starlink sometime last year, and I've been using it for some time now. So today I want to share with you my review of the Starlink, the speed, how to get it, and everything else. I shared with you before how to install Starlink. I'll link to the video up. You can check the video. So this is a Starlink router. The dish, the dish is mounted on the roof. So this router is what connected to the dish, and the signals your phone or your device connects to is produced by this router. So come with me, let me share with you. So how much does Starlink cost in Nigeria? And is the cost worth it? Starlink currently has two types in Nigeria: the Starlink Mini and Starlink Standard. The Starlink Mini is a bigger dish, it has a bigger body dish, while the Starlink Mini is much smaller. So the Starlink Mini costs 354,000 naira to get delivered to you in Nigeria, while the standard costs 626,000 naira to get delivered to you. And monthly, you use 57,000 naira to recharge them. So compared to MTN costs, and this data is unlimited. So compared to MTN and Airtel and the rest, I believe it is worth it because their data is capped. You buy data, even the ones they say is unlimited. You buy before you know it, you get receive message that your data has finished, and you're wondering what happened. But Starlink is unlimited, no hidden, no hidden charges, no nothing. Just pay your 57,000 every month, and you get your unlimited data. 57,000 naira per month. So let's check out our speed. How is the speed like? So we'll be using speedtest.net by Okra to test the speed. So this is let's check the upload. This is the download speed first. As you can see, I'm able to get 107 megabytes per second of download speed. Upload will be much slower. So I'm getting 25 MB per second of upload speed. So compared to 5G broadband, it is a bit slower. But if you are living in a rural area, I think this is very much worth it. So now the question you can ask yourself is, if I pay 57,000 naira on Airtel or MTN, will I get the same service? Will I get unlimited data? So when you answer that question, you will be able to know if Starlink is worth it. For me, it is very much worth it. I get unlimited data. I can stream. I can upload content without worrying about data caps. I don't need to worry if my data will be enough, and the speed is very much okay, very fast. So and you can also play games with it. Though me, I'm not much of a gamer. So those are the questions you can ask yourself. Is it worth it? So for me, this is my review of Starlink in Nigeria. It is very much worth the price. So how do you buy Starlink? You go to their website, starlink.com, put your address. So you might find out a problem that when you try to order it will tell you that your place is too there's no more space in your area. There's no more satellite availability. So there is one hack you can use. You can use another area that's availability. So when you buy it, you still install it in your area. So input your area. If you taste the area there's no availability in your area, put another area and then select either mini or standard and then click on checkout. You show the total amount, click on checkout and then fill in your details, your shipping address, everything, contact information, and then your payment information from your card. And then when you finish, click on place order. After 2 weeks, you get it delivered to your address. Installation, you can check my video on how to install Starlink. I'll link to it in the description and in on top of this video.